Let's see if they work. I'm doing all this for you, my little kitty. You should be flattered. One more to drop into place, and then I shall be ready. This playground should be perfect for my plan. If the sweet kitty and her fuzzy friend feel like playing, then I shall have all the fun.
I've never seen anything like it.
I said it was spectacular.
A river of ice in the middle of a tropical forest? It's impossible.
This is one of Pocket Kingdom's many wonders.
Amazing.
With this except for one thing.
It'll be harder to find the magic drop.
Yes, and that's going to be just one of the problems.
Okay, one thing at a time. Firstly, let's look for the drop. Can you skate, Kate?
I can skate a bit. Yay!
Well, hey!
This is the best fun I've had looking for a magic
You
drop.
said it, Katie. Watch me. Woohoo! Ooh.
So funny.
Oh, this is great. I really, really love it.
Someone disagrees with you.
What's to like about falling over all the time? Okay, laugh, but this ice is cold.
Huh? Hey, look over there.
Well spotted, Magic. You found the magic drop.
I suppose I got lucky.
It's not going to be easy pulling that out of the ice. We'll all have to dig together.
This ice is hard as rock.
Yes, we've hardly scratched it.
What shall we do now?
Maybe if we tried to melt it with our warm breath. Come on, it'll take all of us.
You really think you can melt this with your breath?
I didn't say it would be quick. It was just a thought.
This ice hasn't melted in generations.
Oh, yeah. Well, in that case, let's scrap the idea.
Danny.
So like I was saying, how are we going to get the magic drop out of the ice? Any sensible ideas?
Yes, I have one. We all know the ice is too hard for our claws, agree?
What's the idea?
For our claws, Danny, but not for the winged guards.
Tally-ho, gallant pilots! The Royal Guard needs us! Winged Guards reporting for duty. What is today's mission, Sir William?
We need your help to recover a magic drop from the ice.
We need your claws and beaks most of all.
With your kind permission. Squadron 10, hut! Claws out! Now get that magic drop out of there!
Mission accomplished, sir. Over to you, Squadron Leader.
Yeah. As Squadron Leader of the Winged Guards, it's a privilege to hand over the magic drop.
Thank you. That was incredible.
We just do our duty, miss. Always at your disposal, sir. By the left, take off!
Now we have the magic drop, we must hurry back to Pony Pastures.
Yes, you're right, Katie. Jenny will be waiting for us.
Oh, Jenny, what's wrong? What's happening to you? What did she do? What's happened to her?
1 minute she was fine and then she started to jump around. What could have made her act like that?
I'd bet a pound to a penny that Eva is behind this somewhere. Have a look around, see if you can find anything unusual.
More unusual than a hopping horse, that'll be hard.
What are we going to do?
What can we do? We'll just have to wait.
No, we must do something now before Jenny hurts herself.
But Katie, you can get hurt if you get too close.
Thank you for caring, Magic, but we can't just stand here and do nothing. Wait! Huh? Let us try something first. Oh.
Jenny, tell us what's wrong. My hooves! They're itching and driving me crazy! Help me, please! Are you okay?
Yes, I think so.
Katie, what are you thinking?
I'm going to help Jenny. Don't be afraid, Jenny. You're going to be fine.
No, get back! I don't want to accidentally kick you!
I'm going to help you. It's okay.
What is she doing?
We'll just have to wait and see, Balloon.
Oh, be careful, Katie.
Oh, easy, just relax. Kate, it's just a little something a friend showed me.
That's my Katie, that's my Katie.
Now's my chance. Ow! Oh,
Oh, Katie, are you all right?
it's like something stung me, but I'm okay now.
It was Krakia. She swooped down over you while we were distracted by Jenny.
Why, though? What could she want?
A chance to irritate us?
Well, at least Jenny's fine.
So tell us what happened.
I was standing in the long grass when my hooves began to itch.
An allergic reaction?
Where is this grass?
That explains everything.
Prickle grass. It only takes the slightest touch to create a terrible itch.
But that kind of grass doesn't grow around here.
No, it only grows in a particular climate. Damp, humid and dark.
Like the Evergrey Swamp, I bet.
Eva's hideout, I knew it.
She never gives up.
Bathe your hooves in water and you'll be fine in no time.
Thank you, Kate. It was driving me mad until you calmed me.
Well, you deserve something to cheer you up. My plan worked perfectly.
Well done, Eva. You're the tops.
Thank you, thank you. You did a good job too, Krakia. It was like you said, Eva. They were so distracted by the effects of your prickle grass that no one noticed me. Well, now we have the 2 ingredients to take to Dorelia for the unfriendliness ritual. Kate and her friends are in for a surprise. Are you ready, Kate? Of the friendship heart, light the way to the magic fountain.
Find a friend forever in Pumpkinville and believe in a puppy love story. No more tears in your eyes, no way. You got a new friend, it's a brand new day.
Oh, where did you come from? Wait a minute. pick on me? Is that what you're doing? They're at a playground.
Yes, but who is that scruffy-looking dog with Ava?
Let's hope he doesn't mean her any harm.
A regular change of hideout is the only way to stay ahead.
Okay.
The Pet Buster knows these streets really well, too. He'll know where to look for us.
Oh,
So we keep moving, okay?
I trust you, Wallace.
With luck, we can stay out of trouble. Huh? And speaking of luck, happy days, a bone.
Do you ever stop thinking about your stomach?
Well, it would be such a waste, Princess.
I knew you'd take my bait sooner or later.